Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to get a Wealthsimple email. I know, this might seem like a weird question to ask, but I've actually been getting a lot of requests for it lately. So, I thought I'd do a video on it to help everyone out. Before we get started, I just want to mention that I'm not affiliated with Wealthsimple in any way. I'm just a guy who's trying to help people out. So, how do you get a Wealthsimple email? There are a few different ways to do it. The first way is to sign up for a Wealthsimple account. When you do this, you'll be asked to provide your email address. Once you've done that, you'll have a Wealthsimple email address. The second way is to use the Wealthsimple Cash app. This app allows you to send and receive money from other people. You can also use it to set up a direct deposit from your bank account to your Wealthsimple account. When you do this, you'll be asked to provide your email address. Once you've done that, you'll have a Wealthsimple email address. The third way is to contact Wealthsimple directly. You can do this by emailing them at email address removed. Be sure to include your name and the reason why you want a Wealthsimple email address. Once you have a Wealthsimple email address, you can use it to receive money from other people. You can also use it to set up direct deposits from your bank account to your Wealthsimple account. I hope this helps. Now, let's talk about some of the benefits of having a Wealthsimple email address. One benefit is that it's a great way to receive money from friends and family. If you're ever in a pinch, you can just ask your friends and family to send you money to your Wealthsimple email address. Another benefit is that it's a great way to set up direct deposits from your bank account to your Wealthsimple account. This can be a great way to save money automatically. Overall, I think that having a Wealthsimple email address is a great way to make your life easier. If you're looking for a way to manage your finances more effectively, I highly recommend getting one. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, stay safe and healthy.